The previous chapter, 2 Samuel 2, Judah anoints David to be king over them. David sends a notice to the elders of Israel. Abner rushes to make Ishbosheth king over the rest of Israel. Saul's servants and David's servants meet at a pool and engage in a skirmish. David's team loses 20 men. Abner loses 360 men. The current chapter, 2 Samuel 3, David has 6 children with 3 wives, one princess, and 2 other women. Ishbosheth, Saul's son, accuses Abner of indulging in a sexual encounter with Saul's concubine. This angers Abner, so he uses his political connections to agree that David will become king. Joab kills Abner to avenge his brother Asahel. David mourns Abner.